Alright guys, welcome back. We're here at Home Depot on the search for the new Dewalt Atomic impact driver. I have the guy over here looking for it. Of course, it's not on the shelves yet, so we're kind of scouring the stock for it, see if we can find it. Because on my poll, you guys want to see the Dewalt Atomic 35% and the 12 volt Dewalt 34%. So it's like 1% off. If we can find it, guys, then we're going to go with the 12 volt stuff. They do have the 887 kit on sale. Comes with one 5 amp hour charger, also $199, not a bad deal. Wait, what's back here? Drill kit for $99. Atomic. They got a standard Atomic impact driver is $99. Sorry, I'm trying to look, guys, as I'm filming here. Yeah. Alright, guys, doesn't look like they have it. Keep looking around. You never know, it might just pop up out of the blue. Sometimes they get put in the wrong spot. He was looking all over for me, so I don't know. The store is always kind of messed up with stuff. We got right here. $10 TTI, no, that's Ryobi stuff. $10 gold bits, those are all bits and whatnot. Alright guys, online you can get this with a 5 amp hour for $179. That's a good deal. I'll check that out. Let's see, they still don't have any of the new Ryobi lights in. That's kind of a bummer. Wait, they have this one in. Ooh, what is this? So how many lumens? 500 feet beam distance. Again, only 280 lumens. That's kind of a bummer, but looks cool. No belt clip. It has a spot for a belt clip. Maybe we'll pick this up just for fun. What do you think, guys? Should we pick it up just for fun? 20 bucks. Can't go wrong with 20 bucks. All right, keep moving. The radio slash charger, they finally dropped it down. It's $198. What else is on sale? They got the 6 bay charger, $108. Normally $120. That was down 10 bucks. No super big deals that are jumping out at me yet. Alright guys, I did see that you guys, I got well over 50 likes on that video, so we might be doing the bandsaw video if I can afford it. That's like $450. So I really want to do it, so we'll see. Right here. Yeah, considering the kit is $169 and then the Dewalt kit is $179. So, oh, wait, what's that over there? Is that it right there? Did I find it? Oh, hold on, let's go check. Well, it definitely looks like they'll be doing some sort of promo sale, guys, with double battery packs here. And then you can see the gift center right there. What does that say? 10, 20, I think that might be it right there. Well guys, that wasn't it. The SKU was off by a couple digits, unfortunately. Let's go check the clearance. Alright guys, anybody wants this Ryobi, down to $59. They have the brushed one down to $48. This store has a ton of them, both of them. Lights, $45. These are actually nice little lights. Radios down to $29. I mean, they have a ton of them, and it just goes back. And they've had this like this for months. Nobody's buying them. Makita, we got here. Angle grinder, 5-inch. Bare tool, 126. Got some Raid, get rid of those cockroaches. Alright, let's go check out the pack out stuff. Still don't have the drawers ones, the ones with the pull-out drawers. That's what I want. We got the mounting plates. We got the toolboxes. We got the cartons, or the crates. We got the bags. No crates. They even got the wood top ones. I'm just gonna pay $80 for a piece of plastic with a wood. No, I would not. So if this comes out before the video I'm working on right now, it's about the 40 volt outdoor power tools, guys. But this one, they finally did it, guys. They upped the freaking CFM, the new Ryobi 40 volt blower, 730 CFM. That's crazy. Now that is where, if it's not over 700 CFM, I'm not messing with it, because you need that much to move any amount of leaves. So this one, it's not bad. Whisper quiet. Kit comes with, better come with like a 6. Oh, it comes with two 2 amp hour batteries. That's not bad. Oh, fucking $329. Are you kidding me? It should be like $99. Anyways, guys, that's probably one of the few 40 volt tools I would actually buy. Let's go see what else they got on the end cap. Again, they have this out. Remember, it was $199 for the 2.5s and the charger, the super double charger. But of course, it's actually not out. Milwaukee hard hats, $50 for a hard hat. I suppose you need it for work, you know, tax deductible. Why not? Milwaukee goggles, gloves. What else do we got here? Rocket light. It's always been right around this price, guys. It's $129 or $229. Now it's $199. It'll drop down or have a buy one get one. Not that great of a deal. This is ridiculous. $179. Sometimes it goes down to $129 with a free 6. Yeah, right now they have these online, a 2-pack. It's $99. Don't buy one for $120. What else? Guys, all the tool deals are going to start here really, really soon. They still have this up. This ends October 31st. So guys, if you want to get one of these, this deal is still actually going on. They don't have any tools left, but if you can find it. Dewalt air compressor kits, no price. You got the Bosch laser levels, $40. Makita pin nailer, $119. These are pretty slick. I actually like these. I'm a big fan of the T-stack system. It goes with the drill bits cases I got. This snaps right into it. Very slick. Is this where the promo might be? What is this here? Gift center. 106. Oh, actually, I think this is it right here. Oh, this is Ryobi gift center display. Guys, they don't have the Atomic here at my store. They're just not up to speed, I guess. 2-pack of 4s. What is this? Here's a SKU, guys, if you want to look it up and see what the sale is. Yeah, this store is never really up to date on their tools. Here's the Dewalt's display. Nothing really on the shelf. That's it. Makita. I'm gonna cut it, guys. Go over to Lowe's. Check out over there, see what they got. Alright guys, that's all I got. My quest for the new Atomic Impact driver. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna head over to Lowe's and see what they got over there. I might just go live. That way you guys can tell me what to get or what not to get. Wait, what is that right there? Yeah, nope, wasn't it. No real good sales right now on the Rigid. That's all I got. See ya.